Today we're gonna learn how to put on a wig.
Wig, did you just say wig? Yes.
And glue it securely. First of all, you take your wig and you put her on your head. And you lay her down where you want her to go. You can see that the lace is quite long on this wig. That will help us to show you how to correctly glue it. You place your wig as you would like her to go. Then you take her back a little bit. You take some got2b hairspray. And basically where you had that lace, you're gonna spray hairspray, dry it down, and then glue the lace on top of it. I start with the middle of my forehead and I like to glue it with this. This is actually a keyboard cleaner, so useful because it only blows cold wind and it doesn't need a cable. So you want it to be dry but still sticky, so you can actually put that wig on there and just glue it like that. You can tap a little bit with your finger, or you can also use the back of a comb. I'm first going to do the sides. So now what's happening is I see that it's a bit open here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that hairspray, pull the lace here, you spray some on top, dry it down. And to make sure that glues, you take the back of the comb and you go over the edge. See, now that's blending in the skin. I'm first going to do the other side and then I will do the forehead. So now we're gonna do the same here in the middle. And you're ready to go.